The next example is very similar to example 2. I'm going to give these types of angles specific names. So looking back at this top example here, when we tried to find the location of 540, we actually found the location to be the same thing as 180. So we're going to call 180 degrees, it's a bad 180, so let's try that again. 180 degrees and 540 degrees, we're going to call those coterminal angles. Spell that out for you. Coterminal angles. The reason that we're calling them coterminal angles is that they're the same location on a coordinate plane. You can see that that's what they do here. They say that angle measures 60 and 420 and negative 300 technically are all coterminal angles because their terminal side is at the same location. And that's what I'm going to ask you to find in example 3. Find an angle with a positive measure and an angle with a negative measure that are coterminal with each angle. And that comes from just adding on 360 and subtracting 360. So I want to take 130 plus 360. That will give me a positive angle measure, which in this case would be 490 degrees. And then I want to take 130 and subtract off 360 degrees. And that will get me negative 230 degrees. All three of these angles, 130, 490, and negative 230, are considered coterminal angles. The idea doesn't change when you're given a negative. I'm still going to add on 360, and I'm going to subtract off 360 to get my two angles. So this one would get me positive 160, and this one would get me negative 560.